Hello everyone. So I hope all of you are fine and have taken an ample of break after the pre-exam. So those who after checking the answer key of their UPSC pre feeling demotivated that what to do next, uh, as per my from my experience, I can tell this is not a time to think about all this, and there's no need to get negative if you are still in your if you are just in your first and the second attempt. Okay. In fact, this is the time you should use to start working for your mains preparation, so that next time when you will able to, when you think that you are about to qualify your mains, you should be mains ready. Those who are feeling demotivated that they are not able to qualify pre this year, just ask themselves whether they were mains ready, whether they would have been able to write the mains if they would have been able to qualify the pre. This thing you need to introspect and you should ask from yourself. Okay, so this is the high time to prepare for your mains preparation. Rather than feeling demotivated, utilize this time to prepare for your mains. So one of the tough time in this particular journey is after pre. Many do get demotivated, feeling that we are not about able to qualify, we are not about to qualify pre. So first thing, those who, it is very difficult to judge the cutoff, especially these days, especially the way you can see the way you can see the last cutoff, how low it was. So rather than, so if you are in between 85, 90, 95, you should take heart out of this, that you have done really well if it was your first pre-exam. Okay, so rather than getting negative, this is the high time to, you should focus on your mains. And those who think they are about to qualify pre, don't, so it is equally difficult time for them, because now they have to write the mains. So those who are not qualifying and those who are qualifying, irrespective of that, as an aspirant you have to study till the time you will not see your rank in the final list. So trust me, it will not make much difference. If you see if you see this preparation in the whole, in the longer run, you will realize it will not going to make much difference for an aspirant. Till the time you have an attempt, you have to prepare. Okay, so irrespective of whether whatever your score is, this is time you should focus on your mains exam, and the time, this is the time you should focus on your optional. So prepare your optional and work a lot on your optional. Till the time you will not score very high marks in optional, it is difficult to get an interview call. All of you are well aware of this aspect. Okay, so whether you are qualifying pre or not, irrespective of that, high time you should focus on your mains optional preparation. And those who are about to qualify pre, they have to write the mains. So irrespective of how much you have read, now you have to change the mode of your preparation, and you have to be mains ready. You have to compile your content. You have the content, I hope. Now you have to compile the content, and for this you should start with the answer writing practice. So here at Rouse, I'm starting the test series for PSIR optional means 2022, and the first test we are about to conduct in both offline and online mode on 19th of June. Okay, so it will be 19th of June will be the first test. The details are there. Details of the test series are there on the Rouse website. It will be I'm taking the 6 test series, out of which 4 will be the sectional test and 2 will be the full length test. Okay, it is expected you can write in both offline and online mode. It is expected you should write and complete your test on the day of the test. Okay, it will be better if you will write on the day of the test, though within a week we'll go for the detailed discussions. In the discussions now, I'm planning is, the discussion will not be only restricted to the answers of the questions being asked. I'll try to nudge each and every topic of our syllabus, and will try to make the linkages, try to build the linkages, and will help you to improve your concepts too. So in these 6 texts, I'll try that you should able to revise your whole syllabus. You should have the complete syllabus in your mind before you will go and write your mains. Okay, so in these test discussions, the questions as such, first thing will be how to best, what could have been the best possible answer for the question. I'll give you the model answers. That's why I'm saying there can't be one answer. I said what can be the best possible answer for this question. We'll try to make good structures. What we mean by the structure of the question, how you need to structurize your answer. All these things we'll discuss in the test series during the discussions. And during the discussions, you can ask your doubts also. If you will have doubt on any topic, we'll try to update the current affairs content also with the test itself during the with the model answers also. So you'll get the enriched model answers with the test itself. Okay, so the first is on 19th, second test will be on 3rd of July. So dates you can see by checking the schedule which is there on the Rao's website. Okay, so right now in with this video, I'm going to attach the model answers for the last year mains paper, paper 1. Okay, already I shared a video which is there on the YouTube, in which I have discussed in detail the the that how you can improve your answer writing, in which I've discussed last year mains paper 2. Okay, paper 2 a bit more dynamic, and I have tried to give you the I have tried to touch that I have tried to touch those dynamic aspects in paper 2, and how you should link your paper 2 with paper 1. You can refer that video. Okay, below that video I've shared the PDF of the solutions of previous year paper. You can refer that also. On the similar lines, I'm going to give you the model answers for the test we are about to discuss in these particular 6 tests. Okay, so it will be a kind of content enrichment also for you guys. Okay, so whatever voids are there in your notes, you can fill those voids with the help of these particular tests. Okay, and with this video, I'm going to share the PDF of the detailed solution of last year paper 1-2. So you can refer that PDF in this video itself below the link. Okay, so you can read those. You can read the solution for the paper 1. Paper 1 a bit more static. So that's why I'm not discussing much about paper 1 in this video. It will be a waste of time. If you know the concepts, you can write. Only I have tried to enrich the content in that. So just refer the notes, just refer the PDF, which will be there in this video only, in which there is a detailed solution of last year mains paper 1. Okay, so this is what all about this is what all we are about to discuss in the test series. So it will be the test, it will be the test discussion, it will be the quick compilation of the syllabus. You can ask your doubts, and with that I'm going to give you the quality answers for the questions which I'm going to ask in the test series, which can help you to update your content too. Okay, so hope to see you in the class. From writing the test, we'll go for the detailed discussion. I hope you will take the best out of this test series, which I'm starting from the 19th of June. Okay, so which I'm starting from 19th of June. Okay, so best of luck. Hope to see you in the class. Do well. Bye. Take care.